Hey team, Lieutenant General Scott Spellmon here, 55th Chief of Engineers and Commanding General of the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. We're coming to you today from Little Rock Air Force Base with our great Little Rock District commanded by Colonel Eric Noe, and we've got the project engineer, Mr. David Howell, for the new visitors quarters here at Little Rock Air Force Base. Hey Eric, we've talked a lot this week, great visit this week with you, but we talked a lot this week about openness and transparency with our partners. You've got a number of projects that are going very well, but like most districts, you've got one or two that are a bit sideways on cost and schedule. But you've really turned the corner on being open and transparent with our partners. Can you just share with the rest of the team how you went about that on some very challenging projects that you've experienced?
Well, yes, sir, and of course, as part of the Corps of Engineers, we got a pretty good team. So we reach out to our fellow districts. This particular project we're staying on today, partnered with the Louisville district. We reach out to the enterprise, get a lot of expertise from Fort Worth and other districts as well to help us make sure we're delivering a quality project. And using all the tricks we can figure out in order to make sure we deliver, reduce that risk as much as possible. Then we reach out to our partners and externally and make sure that we're communicating not only in terms of course, the builder here, Ross Group, that's built this fantastic structure, but on top of that, we've reached out in order to reach for I/O, supplies, and other things to overcome supply chain challenges. So we've had a lot of success just by open, transparent communication and getting ahead of the problem before it becomes a problem.
Right, and you are certainly keeping the castle windows open and the bay doors wide open and just keeping those communications flowing, so I really appreciate that. David, one of the challenges we're working through in the Corps today, and one of the things that I'm personally working hard on is safety. And you've got a great safety record out here on this complicated project. How'd you do it?
310 hours, 310,000 hours on this job, yes sir. Man, a lot of it's just common sense. Don't leave extension cords laying out in a pool of water. Experience is a huge factor in that. And knowing the safety manual, of course, 385-1. But just great teamwork. Just keeping eyes open, walking around every day, spending every time on the job.
That's right.
Really what it boils down to.
You've just the short time that I've been here, you can just from the safety brief and as I look around, you've not made it something additional that we have to do. It's just baked into everything you do every day.
Absolutely.
That's very clear.
Absolutely. Experience is a huge factor.
Yeah. Well, David and Eric, I just want to thank you for both that you're doing for the Corps. You're certainly building strong here in Little Rock.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for all you do, Eric, David. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Building strong.